Hello friends, today we are going to see how to connect GitHub from Google Drive and run Python code by using Google Colabs in cloud. If you have no GitHub account, let's start with creating that account. Let's GitHub, give email ID, password, new passwords, username, then no verifications, create, then verification code. Get it from email ID. Just mean then select what are options, then free account. Yeah, now it's created. It's a dashboard. Yeah, from here we can search our project, the TradingLogic. In last is our project. Just select that one. This from the search result. Yeah, this is our project. Yeah, we can see the code. We can fork our project by choose this option. Give some description. Then this is copy from master. Then create fork. Master is a main branch. We can create any other branch. Then we can put for pushing our changes. Here you can see the steps how to clone our project, push, commit, things you can refer. Let's create new branch better because we can push any change without affect that master branch. Yeah, create the branch LAN. Next thing we need to create the personal token from setting, developer setting, then personal token, create new token, or we can choose these options, generate yeah, personal access token. Here give some name, then the expiry date, you can choose any date, then choose that options whatever, then create token. Just copy this token ID and save it in somewhere we can use for connecting that GitHub. Let's open code labs collapse. It's a Google product. We can use for writing that Python. Let's open new book. It's opening. Yeah, here it's a name you can see, right? The same name it will store in Google Drive. Let's see in Google Drive. Yeah, this is the file which we see in there. Yeah, it's create a new folder, collapse notebook. Then it's stored automatically here. Yeah, before writing the Python code, let's connect the Google Drive from Collapse. Yeah, first connecting this Google Drive by using that package google.collapse from this package. Let's mount the Google Drive, mount, then give slash content slash drive. This is that Google Drive folder. Currently we are not seeing any files. Once we mount on this Google Drive, we can see that file. Yeah, you can see now the sample data. We can ignore that one. After this, we give that access uh, for the Google account. We can see that folders what are exist in that Google Drive. Yeah, it's mounted. Now refresh the files. Now you can see that folders which are exist in Google Drive. Yeah, you can see my drive. My drive is a main folder. Within that my drive, we can see that collapse notebook, that folder. Yeah, yeah, you can ignore the sample data, no problem. Yeah, let's create one more folder for cloning that GitHub source code. let's create a new folder with name like GitHub with command make directory, then specify that folder. Let's execute. Now you can see on that of new folder. Next, just enter into that folder the command cd space that particular folder. Yeah, now it's entered into that folder. Let's clone the GitHub source code. Uh, just cloning the source code from GitHub by using that command. GitHub commands are automatically work from the collabs. We no need to install any GitHub. It by default it exists in code collabs. Just use that command GitHub clone. Then we can get that path from that repo. Let's open GitHub repo. Then from these options we can copy the path, then paste it here. Then we can from this path we can clone our source code. Let's see in the source code are downloaded. Yeah. Now let's enter into the source code folder. CD, then the specific source code folder. Let's check the git status. The command is on git status. Yeah, it's in master branch. So just check out the LAN branch which we created in the GitHub account. The command git checkout and the branch name. Yeah, it's now it's checkout to LAN branch. Let's check the status again. Yeah, we can see the new branch LAN. Let's add new file in our local Git repo. Yeah, you can use this command. This is just collapse command. It will create a new file in the Google Drive. Yeah, I'm creating the new file test.py on the Pascal file. Yeah, you can see this new file. Also, we can create by right click and new files. That way also we can create new files. Yeah, we can open this Pascal file from here itself by double click that file. Also, we can write the code from here itself, no problem. Let's try by writing new code. Just I'm pasting one package in this file. Just print that welcome for uh, verify whether it is working or not. Before that, just install the packages. It is not required, but for our learning, I'm showing how to install the package. here by using the command pipe install and test. The pipe also automatically it exists in the collapse. No need to install in like that. Just we can use the command pipe install and whatever package we need to install. We can install. Yeah, it installed completed. Let's try by running this file by using that command Python 3. We can use that version 3. Then use that uh, file full file path. Yeah, let's execute. Yeah, it's working. Yeah, let's add this new file in our local Git. That means that we can commit this new file in Git locally. Just use that command on Git add. Then if you need to add all files, we can use all or any specific file. Then we just mention that specific files. Git add and that specific file. Yeah, the test.py file is added in that Git locally. Let's check the status. Yeah, one file is added. Yeah, you can see the new file. Then the untracked files we are not added. Just commit this change by using the command git commit git space commit, and we can give any command as yum, then give that commit command. Yeah, okay, it's thrown some message. It's required to assign that user the email ID and name. Let's configure that email ID and the username for GitHub. The email ID is lantech2025@gmail.com. Then that username is lantech. Sorry, the lantech2025. Yeah, the lantech2025 is the username. As like use your email ID and username. Let's try the commit again. Yeah, now it's committed. Let's check the status again. Yeah, it's committed, but it's committed in our local, so we need to uh, use the push command to reflect the change in remote. That means in GitHub account. Yeah, yeah, this is the command for before push our change to remote. We have to set the credential for that remote account. Yeah, here the personal token which we seen earlier in that we created the personal token, right? Just give that personal token here. Then that account username, mention our GitHub username. We can check our username from this command git config. It's not list. Yeah, yeah. Here you can see that username, email ID, and also yeah, repo. We can get it from here. Yeah, it's executed. Now try to push the code. Uh, please use the personal token which we created in the developer tool. Yeah, let's check here. Yeah, we can see the test.py. Yeah, it's uh, committed in remote. Here I'm just raising that pull request. Once we create that pull request, it can merge into the master for the main repo. If you like to change any code, just please do that and raise a request. We can merge in that main branch. Thanks for watching. Yeah, I will share this details in the descriptions. Thank you.